Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Facts About Forensic. For more updates, please follow our Instagram page, that is facts_about_forensic. So in this video, I will be telling you about Indian Evidence Act section 4, 5 and 6. I have discussed section 1, 2 and 3 in previous videos. So if you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch those videos because this is part 2 of our Indian Evidence Act series. So first of all, we'll study the section 4, which defines may presume, shall presume and conclusive proof. We will go from back to top. So we will discuss first about conclusive proof. What is conclusive proof? Whenever a fact is declared by this act to be conclusive proof, court shall not allow evidence to be given for the purpose of disproving it. That means if any court defines any evidence as a conclusive proof, one cannot disprove it. One is not allowed to bring evidence to disprove it. This is like मतलब ये ऐसे होगा जैसे लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच ली कि कोर्ट ने बता दिया कि ये कंक्लूसिव प्रूफ है तो ये है. कोई भी बंदा अगर आएगा और उसको डिस्प्रूव करने का ट्राई करेगा तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. इस कंक्लूसिव प्रूफ का जो एविडेंस होगा दैट कांट बी डिस्प्रूव्ड. ओके. Now we will go for shall presume. In this, whenever a fact is proved by court, it remains as it is until or unless it is disproved. That means if any evidence is brought to court, the court will accept it or the court will order according to them whether it can be disproved or not. Like अगर कोई हमारे पास एविडेंस आया और कोर्ट ने बोल दिया कि ये एविडेंस इट कैन बी शैल प्रिज्यूम, मतलब कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा है कि इट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड. रेयर केस होगा कि इट विल बी डिस्प्रूव्ड बाय द एविडेंस विच इज़ ब्रॉट टू कोर्ट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इज मे प्रिज्यूम. It tells that a fact remains proved until or unless it is disproved or may call proof of it by court. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि एक कोई भी फैक्ट है या एविडेंस है वो प्रूव्ड रहेगा until और unless उसके लिए कोई भी डिस्प्रूवल या फिर कोई भी ऐसा फैक्ट या फिर कोई भी ऐसा एविडेंस लाया जाए जो उसको डिस्प्रूव कर सकता है. और कोर्ट अगर कोई इसका डिस्प्रूव करने का एविडेंस लाता है तो कोर्ट वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा. कोर्ट देखेगा कि वो जो फैक्ट कोई भी विटनेस लाया है वो इसके अगेंस्ट है या नहीं है. इफ़ दैट एविडेंस विल बी अगेंस्ट ऑफ द फैक्ट देन कोर्ट विल डिस्प्रूव द फैक्ट कि हाँ ठीक है ये इसके अगेंस्ट जा रहा है तो हम ये फैक्ट एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, यानी इस केस के लिए ये फैक्ट हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. ओके. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट सेक्शन 4. So our next section is section 5 of Indian Evidence Act, which says evidence may be given of fact in issue and relevant facts. What that means? That means if we give any evidence for fact in issue of any event, then that will be relevant and accepted in court of law. For example, कि कोई robbery हुई और उस रोबरी को किसी ने विटनेस किया है, किसी ने देखा है कि वो रोबरी हुई है, देन दैट पर्सन विल बी द एविडेंस फॉर फैक्ट इन इशू एंड दैट पर्सनस स्टेटमेंट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड इन कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ एंड इट विल बी रेलिवेंट. सो दिस इज अबाउट सेक्शन 5. Now it is section 6 of Indian Evidence Act, which says relevancy of facts forming part of some transaction. That means if there are any fact which is not directly related to our crime or any event, but it somehow indicates that that event has occurred, then that will be relevant and that will be considered in court of law. For example, if there is robbery and the thieves talked about or they planned about the robbery and their statement or what they talk is somewhere stored in telecommunication, then that recording in telecommunication will be considered as relevant in court of law because this is not directly involved in the event but it is somewhere out of the event but it is there. it is some part of transaction or some part of event, so it will be considered as the relevant in court of law. So this was about section 6. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and in this video we have talked about section 4, 5 and 6. If you have any doubt related to these sections, you can DM me on Instagram or you can comment down below. I will explain again if you have any doubt. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment and stay tuned. New videos are coming. Thank you.